There are 6 species of birds which are commonly known as boobies. Their name comes from the Spanish word bobo, which means silly or foolish. And this is because while they are quite graceful as they fly or as they swim, they are a bit clumsier on land. Also, as adults, they don't have natural predators, and so therefore humans can often get closer to them, and this was taken as being kind of a foolish behavior to let humans get that close. One of the 6 species is known as the blue-footed booby. This is because of its bright blue coloration on its feet, including a duller blue color on its bill. And while it can be found throughout much of the eastern Pacific Ocean, ranging from California down throughout the South American coast, half of all nesting pairs breed in the Galapagos Islands. Blue-footed boobies feed primarily on fish. They fly over the ocean, often at a great height of 100 feet above the surface or higher, and then suddenly plunge into the water and can dive up to 80 feet in depth and capture fish, which they will try to swallow prior to leaving the water. This is probably a good idea in that they are often accompanied by frigate birds, which try to steal fish that other birds have caught. So that their bodies can tolerate these dives, there are air sacs which surround their brains to protect them from the pressure, and their nostrils are closed, forcing them to breathe out of the corners of their mouth so that water is not forced into their nostrils when they dive. Why are the feet of blue-footed boobies blue? There are 2 reasons, both of which are true. Without these 2 reasons, the feet of these boobies would be gray, as you can see here in the immatures, which have not yet developed the blue feet. First, there are pigmented molecules in nature, especially in those things which perform photosynthesis, which need to capture light. These pigments include carotenoid pigments. They are present in marine algae. They are present in the fish which eat the marine algae, and then they are available in the digestive tracts of these birds to then modify for their own pigmentation. So one of the reasons is that there are pigments in their diet. If a booby is malnourished, or if, say, in captivity, its diet is changed, a blue-footed boobie's feet will appear gray, lacking the proper pigments which they need to make the blue coloration. Secondly, however, these pigments have to be arranged in the microscopic cells of the feet of these birds. And so therefore, if one were to look at the arrangement of collagen filaments and the arrangement of these pigment molecules, they allow for the refraction of light in a way that blue light is reaching the eyes of the observers. I have been told that if you were to take the feet of a blue-footed booby and then, crush it gently so that you bruise the feet, that once again the coloration would appear gray because it is the microscopic structure of the cells and the arrangement of the parts which contain the pigments which helps determine this blue color.